Hi everyone, welcome to this Hauora yoga home practice. This is another floor practice, so it can be done while relaxing in front of the TV in the evening or any time really listening to your favourite music, or like me, perhaps you can do it outside. So I really encourage you to make this practice your own, lingering on poses for as long as you feel you need to, and perhaps introducing some repetition. So let's get started with a neck stretch. So breath in, nice long spine, breath out, right ear to right shoulder, feeling that stretch through the left side of the neck, and breath in, left ear to left shoulder. And back to center, breath in. And this time we're going to take our head, our neck in semicircles. So breath out, taking it to our ear, and then down, chin to our chest, breath in, back to the other side, and the other way. So suggest repeating those neck stretches. You'll really feel the benefit from them. So next we'll try a wide-legged forward fold. I'm going to have my legs out fairly wide. Depending on how open your hips are, you might want to have them narrower. So again, we're going to start with a breath in, nice and tall through the spine, long straight spine, and then breath out, crawling the hands forward with our nice long back. And then when we reach what feels like our maximum depth in this fold, just use the outward breath to soften into the stretch. And now coming to head to knee pose. So we're starting in staff position, our legs out long and our feet flexed. Taking the right foot, sole of the foot comes to the inside of our left thigh, or depending on how open your hips are, you may want to have it a bit further away towards your foot. So again, starting by breathing in, lengthening that spine. And breath out, folding forward, reaching for your foot if you can. Otherwise you can just use a towel, an old hand towel, and wrap it around your foot, and you get that leverage that really allows you to get the benefit from this stretch. And again, using the outward breath to soften into the fold. And other side. And back up. And now we're going to do a chest opener. So coming to kneeling, this can also be done standing of course. Interlacing the hands together, we're drawing them back and slightly up, and just feeling that amazing opening through the chest. And breathing. and releasing and coming into tabletop. We're going to do a wrist stretch now. So starting in tabletop, we're rotating our hands outwards so that our fingers are facing back towards us. And then breathing in, tilting slightly forward, and then breath out, shifting the weight towards our heels. And just feeling that, pressing the fingers into the mat, feeling that stretch through the wrists. And release. And now we'll come down for a supine twist. So we're coming down to the mats on our back, taking the right leg, hugging the knee into our chest, and then with our left hand, gently bringing it over to the left, extending our right arm long. And to deepen the twist, you can turn your gaze towards your right hand. And just hold here for a few breaths. And back to center, extending the leg out long, other side. And back to center, soles of our feet flat on the mat. And now bringing the soles of our feet together, our knees flopped out wide for supine butterfly. Our arms are also fanned out wide of our torso. This creates opening through the chest area. And as we come to the end of this practice, just bringing our awareness back to our breath, lengthening the breath, and feeling the release in this pose through our chest, hips, thigh area. And then closing the knees together like a book, drawing them up to your chest. And then either coming to your side and coming up to sitting, or perhaps rolling up, giving a spine a gentle massage and coming back to sitting. So there you have a short practice you can do anytime, anywhere, including perhaps outside. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.